Kani kediga batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo ni Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Hapok jingalam jong Superintendent of Police jong ka West Jingrwai District Executive Force uba lakadors iem sasisian biang haka khat santri ujumbang archer arpo kala pelak pai ba ya ka music video wal aikerteng Beyond the Call of Duty, Abide With Me. Komisi Bynta ban pau ya ka Jingrwai ya borok ki breu ki badan ya ka Bynta ka bah khmat ban IT lede na ka Bynta penyerap ki breu ki badan kami kila jingrap hakum kani kapur ba ka jela kadang Ïakhun thma persha ya uknyang jingpang coronavirus. Ka Dr. Helen Yuria habakaran ha jingalang bala plaj pai ba ya kani ka music video kala ai khublai katnat Pulit ka bala poi kan ma ban ai burom bat pen pau da ka Jingrwai shaboro kinong tre jo katnat ka koi ka khia ya kinong kit marbam ya gilat pathai kubor bat ya boro ki breu ki baidan ta ban ya da ya ka jing em jo ki pai ba na ka jing saphriang jong kunyang jingpang coronavirus. Ha ka jing pelaj pai ba ya kani ka music video la sakhi lang do additional deputy commissioner ka West Jingrwai Hills uba RS Manas u additional SP u B Chetri ki Pulit officer bat kinong tre jong katnat Pulit.
You brought me to tears because this just shows that we're all human. We're all human, and each of us have a role to play when push comes to shove, when we have a common enemy, and our common enemy is this virus that is so mysterious and that is, difficult to understand. And this video, I hope, is going to show the community as a whole the need for each and every one of us to work as individuals. Start with me, and then with my family, and then in my community.
Hãy subscribe where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake.